cross-platform advertising template is for those sleep-deprived digital marketers who have ad campaigns running across different channels. With drillable sections that let you sort by provider, campaign, and more, you can see exactly where your spend is going and which platform is driving the best ROI. In this case, I can clearly see that I'm spending less on paid social, while it drives nearly 20x the conversions, so let's drill into that. Now I can analyze the daily breakdown of my spend and how it tracks against my clicks and conversions to identify both strong points and areas of opportunity. Finally, I can analyze my top ads for that channel to consider leaning into their success with increased spend or to apply learnings from the ad to other poorer performers. And the best part, I can customize this entire template to add my own charts, graphs, and breakdowns, all with just a few clicks. Get the cross-platform advertising template today with a free joiner account.